What's going on? Jeremiah with JeremiahVegan.com. I know I can sing. If you want lessons, let me know, okay? Now, all jokes aside, Jeremiah Vegan with JeremiahVegan.com. We're a digital marketing agency that specializes in generating leads for B2B companies and stuff like that. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see videos on a weekly basis about how to do social media management and entrepreneurial related stuff, as well as how to generate leads. Hit that subscribe button and look at my description below, because I want to connect with you even more after you're watching this video. I'm going to do a really quick video on YouTube's new feature. I don't know much about it, honestly, because I just got notified about it just a couple of minutes ago, and I wanted to hop on it to bring awareness to it really quickly. So I might do another session of this video depending on how everything goes. But this new chat feature is pretty cool so far. It allows you to basically connect with people on YouTube, and it allows you to kind of connect with them, share different videos with them on YouTube's platform. So if you guys go over, I created another account. I have multiple YouTube accounts, so I created another account. If you go right up top and this little arrow button, message button right here, this is the message platform. All right, now let me move my screen on this side. All right, so they already have they're already notified. I was notified three minutes ago. And from my understanding, this was already in the mobile app messaging feature, but now it looks like they're implemented it for the desktop feature. And right here it says introducing a new way to share. So if I click on this, it basically gives you like it looks like it's showing the video on how to use it. And then it goes over, you can now share videos and chat about them with friends on YouTube. Send an invitation link. So for all those inspiring YouTubers, this may be a good way for you to connect with your audience. It's not about quality. It's not about quantity. It's about quality. A lot of people pay attention to their subscriber count. I will be the first to tell you that it's not about your subscriber account. I have built in influencers subscriber account to from 250 subscribers to now he's getting ready to hit 10,000. So I'm familiar with how to build YouTube channels. I'm currently for myself at 250 subscribers, and I still get leads because it's about who watches your video, not how many people watch your video a lot of the times, if you're looking to do it for business related reasons. But this can definitely be a way for you to actually grow your channel. All right, so let's take a look at this send invitation link feature right here. So what you do is you send this invitation to people who you want to connect with, and you'll send them that link, you'll copy it, and then if they're interested in it, they'll basically accept it. So I don't know if I can show you guys on this, but let's see. So this is the link. I'm pasting it, copied and pasted. So people would just click on it. This is your invitation link, so they know it's mine. People who receive this link can connect with you on YouTube. So I've already sent it to myself. Let's see if I could sign out and use another account so you guys will be able to see what it looks like. Okay, so I signed out, and I signed out the other account, and I signed into another account, and this is what it looks like. When someone clicks on your link, if you want to invite somebody to kind of chat with you on YouTube, it'll say accept this friend request to message and share videos with Jeremiah Vegan on YouTube. Once you accept, it's going to prompt you to the chat box, and it's going to say start sharing. All right, and now at this point you can start sharing and communicating with people who you want to communicate with. This can be a great marketing tool if you use it the right way. If you say, like how I'm getting ready to say, if you want to connect with me, you can look in the description below, click on that link, and you'll be able to chat with me. Let's go ahead and test it out. At this point, let's go ahead and test it out. As you can see right here, you can message people. This would be a way for you to kind of communicate and build a rapport with your potential viewers. People who want you want to target people who are interested in the kind of content that you provide on your channel. So what do you provide? And once you figure out what you provide, start reaching out to those people who like the kind of stuff that you can that you provide. The best way to go about that is you can go different platforms. You can go on you can go in Instagram groups, you can go on Facebook groups, reach out to people and find out people who are interested in the kind of stuff that you talk about, and just build a rapport with them. Get them to like you as a person first, because that is what's going to gravitate them towards watching your YouTube videos and stuff like that, if you want to do it as a blogger. Now, there's different ways that you can do it as a company as well. You could run ads, you can run like LinkedIn campaigns and stuff like that. And this would be a great way to chat with your subscribers. If you're a person that just wants to just use YouTube as as a consumer, this is a great way for you to kind of connect with your people as well. So just keep that in mind. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Peace.